Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how to earn passive income using HoneyGain. HoneyGain is the first ever app that allows its users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. As you can see, it has an excellent rating of 4.5 in Trustpilot. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description. Then you be headed to the HoneyGain website with a free $5 bonus. Then click on Register to Claim button. Make sure that the coupon code is applied. Then you can create a free account using Google, Facebook or email. I will be creating a new account using my email. After your entered email and password, click on Continue with Email button. Now you will be landed to the HoneyGain dashboard. Here is your $5 bonus. As you can see, the minimum payout is $20, but I will show you how to set up jump task and withdraw any amount with no minimum payout. First, you will need to confirm your email by clicking on the Confirm Email button. Then you will receive an email to verify your email address. Then click on Verify Email button. Now you will be landed to HoneyGain dashboard. There are 3 simple steps to start earning on any devices. HoneyGain can be also installed in Android, Mac OS, iOS and Linux. Now I will be showing you how to download and set up HoneyGain application in your Windows computer. Click the Download for Windows button and your download will be started. After your download is completed, run the setup and follow my instructions. After the installation is complete, you will need to log in. Now log in using your login credentials. Now you have successfully logged in. As you can see, the minimum payout is $20. Now I will be showing you how to set up jump task so you can withdraw any amount with no minimum payout. Click Enable Jump Task. Then you will be taken to the HoneyGain dashboard. Now click on the button to enable jump task. Then click the Let's Start button. Now you will need to create a jump task account and link it to your HoneyGain account. Click on Jump Task and go to Jump Task Dashboard. Now click on Start Now button. Then click Here button. Then apply the promo code shown on the screen or copy it from the description box and paste it. Now you will be needed to log in to Jump Task. You can log in using Google or Facebook, or you can connect your crypto wallet. I will be connecting using a crypto wallet. I will be choosing MetaMask. Now I be installing MetaMask to my Chrome browser. Now MetaMask is successfully being installed. Now I will be creating a new MetaMask wallet. Now I have successfully created my MetaMask wallet. Now I will be connecting my MetaMask wallet to JumpTask. Now I have successfully connected my MetaMask wallet to JumpTask. Now I will be showing you how to connect JumpTask to Honeygain. Now copy the account ID, then go to Honeygain dashboard and paste your account ID. Then click Add the Account button. Now you will need to verify by entering a 6-digit code which is being sent to your email address. Now I have successfully verified my email address. Now JumpTask is successfully enabled in Honeygain. Now I will be showing you how to add JumpTask token to your MetaMask wallet. First you will need to switch the network from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Now you will need to follow the steps as I show. Now you have successfully added the Jump token. That's how you register to Honeygain and link it to JumpTask. From now on let the application run in your background. To increase your earning you can install Honeygain application in your other devices such as mobile, laptop and many other devices. You might be think whether this site is legit. So, here are my payment withdrawal proof.